Welcome to the advertising agency software brought to you by Real Mold Softwares. This software is suitable for the advertising agencies dealing in print, radio, outdoor, digital, printing, and designing services. Now you can see the home panel of the software. Now I'm going to take you to a quick tour of this software, what all feature it has, and how it works. In the left corner you can see the quotations. Through these quotations you can make entry and you can see the reports also. First I would like to tell you that this software contains the invoicing, release orders, invoicing, and accounting is done automatically in the software also. So you don't need to maintain any other accounting softwares like Tally or anything else. So through quotations you can make entries for different medias like newspaper, classified ads, radio, designing, printing, hoarding, TV, and others. In the next panel we have release order, where again you can make entries for different media. Then you have schedule, you can check the coming schedule of newspaper which are already saved through arrow. Then comes the register, in which you can see the release orders which are already created by different filters like media type, service provider, date, client, vendor, so and so forth. You can also see the pending arrows which are created but still to be executed. Next comes the sales. Here the sales, you can make the entries for the arrows which you have already created. You can check for sales register, sales which are created in past. Summary, this gives you the monthly summary of sales. Next is due arrow to bill, which is very unique and useful feature. Here you can see the arrows which yet to be converted to sales. That means all the pending arrows of which sales yet to be made can be seen here. So you will never miss a sales which is not created. So the point is, at any given point of time you can go and check what all the arrows which you want to convert it to sales. Next is due bill to receipt. That is you have created the bills to the customers, but no payment yet received from the customer. Next is purchase. Again, purchase entry which after releasing the order to the media you get from them, you make the entry here, and again you can see the register, the past purchase already created. Summary, month-wise summary, you can get it from here. Now again due arrow to bill, this means you have released the release order to the media, but you haven't received the bills from them. So this will keep the track on that. Due bill to payment is you have received the bill from publication or media, but you haven't made the payment to them yet. So this can give you the details here. Next is the ledger info. Here you can create the different ledgers, like any account you want to create, that is sundry creditor, debtor, bank accounts, so on and so forth. All the accounting heads are here. You can create for your accounting purpose. Same, the ledgers can be created, or once created it can be altered also. By mistake, if you have created two ledgers, a single ledger with two different names, then you can merge that accounts, keeping all the entries intact. And also you can delete the account anytime. So this is what we have here. After ledger info comes the voucher entry. Since this software includes invoicing as well as accounting angle also, so it's not necessary that you should have uh, accounting knowledge to operate this software. We have made it very simple and easy to use. Through this voucher entry you can make payment, you can take receipt from the customer's client whenever you receive the payment. When you deposit cash deposit is when you deposit cash to the bank. When you withdraw from the bank, this is cash withdrawal. Transfer one bank to another bank, one account to another bank. And expense voucher, any expenses you want to punch in. We have kept almost all the things in the accounting feature resembling to tally. That will help you a lot in this. Next is accounting reports. Here you can get the ledgers of the accounts, whether it may be sundry creditor, debtor, bank, anything, any ledger you can get it, and in three different format. That is, one is display format, second is Excel format, so that you can save and do the calculations accordingly, and the third is printable format. Next feature what we have is outstanding. You can get the outstanding payments from your customers at any given point of time. Just use this tab and give a date range and get the outstanding to be recovered from the customers. So just say outstanding. You can get it through name also or by amount also. Just click that icon and say show, and that report will come out, and entire total amount which is outstanding from the customers can be received from here. Also you can export this report to Excel format also. Next is collection. That is what collection or payment you have received from in the past. By giving that date range you can get it. This is cash book, this is bank book, and PDC info. This is one another quite a good feature in the software. If you have given post-dated checks to your customers, to your vendors or your media, you can check it what finance should be ready in that given period of time. So just put the date range and get that info. Next is master. In this you can make the master of your publication, radio, hoarding, TV. Otherwise you can put your printing rates also. And this is checkbook entry, where you can, when new checkbook comes in, you select bank and mention the checkbook. I want to specially mention a great feature here, that from this software you can, after making the payment, you can print the check through your printer also. So one unique feature again in this software. In newspaper you can go and make new accounts, like the newspaper name and the account name for that publication. Just say save, and automatically the account will be created and the name of the paper also created here. Same with the radio, hoarding, TV. The next beautiful thing what we have in this software is tax information. That is, from here you can get the service tax report on any given date of time period, or monthly you can get it. Just say if it is service tax report, Under the advertising category or advertising services, you have two kind of services to pay, service tax to pay. That is, one comes under advertising heading, the other comes in designing heading. If you need different media, you can choose it, and any period you want to choose, you can choose from here, and just say show. So one detail you'll get it is service tax already charged to your customers, or service tax what you have paid. So difference what you have to pay or file the report for. So this is service tax, readily you will get it. The other is tedious information you get it from here. If you are into printing, then you will get the VAT. And we have customized tax master, where it is newspaper. For purchase and sales also we have different tax masters here, for classified or radio, designing, printing, hoarding, digital media. This is all customized. Any given point of time, if you want to change the rate of taxes, you can change it from here. So this is what we have here. The other thing is company info. You can put company info here. You can maintain multiple companies here if you have 2 or 3 advertising agencies at a time. Other is, since it is a LAN based software, multi-user, you can create accounts for your employees or colleagues. You can keep admin or operator here, so they will log in with their ID and passwords. Also, you can give the rights to your members, like this. These are the rights which you can give. If you give the rights to make them RO, sale, purchase, accounting reports, final reports, and even also the media rights. If the person is handling whether the right to be given to handle newspaper or hoarding, that is also available. So this is again a unique feature what we have. Next you can see is export to Tally. Since Tally is a dominant software available in market, and most of the people are working in that, this software helps you maintain your release order, quotation, invoicing, and entire accounting also. We have given option to export it to Tally. So once you make use of this button, the entire data will be exported to a format which can be imported in Tally. So even at the end of the financial year or after the financial year, you can export the details to Tally, and your tax consultant or chartered accountant make use of that. Also, we have kept import Tally data. If you are currently using Tally and you want to import the ledgers, accounts, and their addresses, and all that can be done through this tab. One more feature what I wanted to show is, you can see the payment register, receipt register, cash register, day book. You can go and check trial balances also. And here, through this tab, you can check your balance sheet and profit and loss account too. So this will help to be updated with your company status, how it's financially doing. So this is again one of the beautiful features we have in our software. So this is an entire one good package through which you can manage your agencies working, right from quotation, release order, sales, purchase to accounting till balance sheet and profit and loss. Any details other from this, you can get it through our executive. You can switch to new financial year using this tab. We will be more than happy to serve you more. Please, if you are interested in this software, please contact our executive. The details are given in the description. Thank you for patiently hearing this demo with me. Thank you again, and enjoy handling your agency, your company. All the best. Thank you.